50 years is a long time. And me and the two boneheads just want to say happy anniversary. And and yeah, for me, you guys have done a lot for me in my life. And see, they can't even stop laughing because they don't know how to act. But I'm glad that you guys have made it 50 years. A lot of people can't make it 50 years. They can't even make it 5 years. So kudos off to you guys. I love you all, and always have, always will. Whatever I can do to help in anything, anytime. All you got to do is just pick up the phone. Ewan has a slight case of epilepsy right now, so I don't know, but I'll let them two boneheads say something if they want to. Go ahead.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Papa. Happy anniversary. Congratulations on your 50th anniversary.
Congratulations on your 50th anniversary. You was what I was gonna say.
Yeah, neither one of them have their own brain, so. But, all right, we love you guys. And, yeah, hope you enjoy this day. Bye.
Bye.
Happy anniversary, guys. We love you.
Happy anniversary. I love you.
I just wanted to say happy anniversary and thank you for everything you did for me, my mom, my dad, my stepdad. So thank you, Grandma and Papa, for giving me my, my room and stuff. Anyways, have a great day. Happy anniversary. And also, I wish I could, come out my room without being sick and get y'all sick too. But this is good enough, I'm pretty sure. So thank you. Bye.
Happy anniversary, Mama and Papa. I love you.
Happy anniversary, Mom and Papa.
Love you. Happy anniversary.
Hi Mama, hi Daddy, how are you? We love you so much. Me and the Fresno clan want to wish you a happy anniversary. Love you.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary. This is your golden year.
50 years is a long time. We thank you for everything that y'all have done for the family, and it's much appreciated.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Mama and Papa.
Can you stop it? Looks like we'll be
50th anniversary. I hope you have a good time. What you gonna do? I hurt you, oh yeah.
Hey, Grandma and Grandpa, it's the champ. Happy 50th anniversary. Happy 50th anniversary. It's the champ.
Happy anniversary, Mama and Daddy. Say happy anniversary, Mama. Say, hey, happy anniversary. I just want to say happy anniversary to you and Daddy. I appreciate everything you guys have done for me and my whole entire life. You know I caused a lot of problems, but you guys always have my back, so I appreciate it, and congratulations for your 50th anniversary. And man, I love you guys, appreciate you guys, and 50 more years, let's get it. Happy anniversary, Mom and Dad, 50 years, 50
Happy
more to go.
Yes.
Yes, Grandpa and Grandma.
Happy anniversary.
Hey Momo and Popo, heard it's your 50th anniversary. Really cool. I wish you guys the best, and I hope you have a really awesome day. Take care of yourselves. Love you so much. Bye.
Happy 50th anniversary. Congratulations on being married for half a century. It's a long time. I hope you both enjoy the day. I care about you both, and I wish I could be there. I love you, and again, congratulations and happy 50th anniversary.